So let's make scrambled eggs today. We're gonna make them 3 different ways. At the beginning of the video, I told you that my favorite was the first one. Then, I tasted my second ones, which I make these all the time, but and then I'm like, yeah, maybe these are my favorite. And then these, I don't know, these are the third ones and they're looking pretty good. Let's make this. For the first way, we're gonna beat our eggs in a bowl. We're simply gonna beat these well. We're not adding anything to them. I like cooking my eggs with butter, and I always use salted butter for that matter. So we're just going to melt some butter in this pan. We're gonna heat our pan, but then we're gonna reduce the heat to medium. We don't want it to be too hot. So we're gonna let these eggs set a little bit before we start mixing them. Okay, now we start moving the egg. This is my favorite way to eat scrambled eggs because they're fluffy and they're nice and creamy, but they have some consistency to them. We're going to remove the egg from the heat when it's still wet because it'll continue cooking on the plate. I don't add salt to it because the butter is salted already, but that's a matter of choice. But I do add some pepper. Notice how fluffy these eggs are. You can tell they're soft. Oh man. Second way. Same thing, we melt some butter. This time we put the eggs straight into the pan and we start scrambling them inside the pan. Now this kind of egg is gonna have more egg white to it. Now we just let it set a little bit and we continue stirring it. Same as the first method, no salt in this. I will add some pepper. There we go. They're ready. And let's see. These, as I said, you can see more of the white in them. They also have quite a bit of consistency and they're very creamy as well. And they are also very moist. I don't know. I said the first type were my favorite, but I'm loving these. Third method. We put the eggs in our pan. We add the butter. We mix. All right, so now we put the pan on the heat. We stir it for a few. And then we take it off the heat. Then we put it back onto the heat. This is gonna give you super, super creamy eggs. Okay, off the heat again. As you can see, I'm just lifting my pan. Back to the heat. Off the heat. Again on the heat. These take a little longer, but if you like super creamy eggs, you're gonna like this. Let me know in the comments how you like to eat your scrambled eggs. If you have a different method that you want to share with us, that'd be awesome. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I'd really appreciate it if you do. Turn on the notification button so you can get notified when I have new videos. You can see how this is finishing the cook. All right, let's serve these. These are also very moist, but look how creamy they are. Imagine these on a piece of toast with butter right now. Delicious. Mmm. Oh, they're good. I'm so confused now. I don't know which one's my favorite.